first. What's left over, you do mitzvah. But here we're saying that echad chatasai v'echad oilasai, the mitzvah is going to passel it. It says, Hu ma'isiv la v'vil mafarik la. He asked the question, Avud or Avavin, or in your Gemara, Avud or Shmuel. And he also answers, Litzdadin Ktani, that you have to divide this up and say, 1 second. By chatasai, if it's referring to hazah, and by oilasai, if it's referring to mitzvah.
Just to translate it,
Litzdadin means two sides. It means you divide this Mishnah up and say, in this case, we're referring to, for this case, although the concluding clause, but it uses it regularly. The concluding clause seems to be like a statement that's covering everything. It's actually not really covering everything. And you have to go back and say, for this case, it was specifically like that, and for this case, it was for that. For Eily Sa'if, the mitzvah, for the Chata Sa'if, it's the hazah. Tana de Rabbi Shmuel, Shem Nisher Badam. We learned before that Rabbi Shmuel says She'im Nisher Badam, if it's left over, but it doesn't really need to be. You don't need to do mitzvah. But Tana de Rabbi Shmuel Hasem Shirayim Makvin. We have a problem because we have another Tana de Rabbi Shmuel that says that Shirayim is Makiv. Rav Papa Mitzvah Chata Sa'if Ikabenayo. And Rav Papa explained that it's talking about Mitzvah Chata Sa'if, the squeezing of the blood. That means that's Makiv as well. It's machlekes Rabbi Shmuel and Rabbi Kiva, but the problem is
that is the debate.
But the problem is Rabbi Shmuel is the one that holds that the mitzvah is makiv. Right. We have another Rabbi Shmuel says that what's left over means if it is left over, it's not makiv. My answer is straight to Naiv Ali with Rabbi Shmuel. There's two opinions discussing Rabbi Shmuel.
So it's shaming. It's not Rishon. It's not Rabbi Shmuel himself. It's two people in the opinion of Rabbi Shmuel.
Right. Okay.
But I'm
We're ahead again.